self-reliant. This poem is written by Kathleen Delicate. First, let us go through it. I realize now that I am alone. On myself, I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions. But ultimately, it's I who will decide. I will be the ruler of my domain, determining which road I will take with pride. Though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take. Though people in abuse raise their voices, it's up to me, my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to stand alone, how to win. In the beginning of the poem, she feels that she is stuck alone. She realizes that she must learn to rely, to have faith in herself. This poem explains how it is difficult to rely on yourself, to realize that although you may have people around you, but still you must learn to stand on your own. The people around you can give their opinions and ideas, but always remember, in the end, the final decision should be yours. Once you begin to take charge of yourself, you will gain the ability to choose the correct path. Whatever path you may choose, you will be able to take it with pride. All you need is to have trust in yourself. There are always going to be people that try to convince you that they know the right way for you to live. But in the end, only you know. You are the only person that has the ability to know what's best for yourself. The only person that can change your own destiny. No one else can make the choice for you. This poem tells us to learn to stand on ourselves, to believe in yourself. The word self-reliance means the ability to depend on yourself. It is a very nice poem. This poem tells us how self-reliance can help a person to win in his life. The poet wants to depend upon herself. Even if she fails sometime, she says she can ask others for their opinions or ideas, but ultimately it is her decision. It is her self-confidence which helps her to take the royal road to the success. My dear children, remember, success is not very easy thing to get it in our life. We need to work very hard to get it. Sometimes you may fail, but always remember that the failure is the stepping stone of the success. My dear children, to overcome your failure, you should have faith in yourself. You should work hard continuously. Dear children, if you believe in yourself and have dedication towards your work, you will be the winner for sure. Have faith, believe in yourself, and rest will fall into place. With the faith in yourself and with the hard work, there is nothing you cannot accomplish.